Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best sander that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the DEWALT Palm Sander Kit. The DEWALT Palm Sander Kit is our top pick in this review. Designed with a powerful motor that clocks a maximum of 14,000 RPM, revolutions per minute, this sander is a master of trimming jobs. DEWALT spared no effort when designing this sander to demonstrate its commitment to customer value. The motor runs 1 1/4 inch sanding pad, which we found big enough to complete your trimming tasks fast. Another outstanding thing about this sander is controllability. First, the sander is relatively short compared to most models out there. This means that you are able to get as close as possible to the workpiece for better results. Further, the sander comes with a rubberized handle that makes it easy to work without getting tired easily. Our analysis of this sander cannot be complete without mentioning its awesome dust management system. The sander comes with a locking dust port that allows you to fit a vacuum pump for easy dust evacuation. We worked with this sander, and the workshop was amazingly mess-free. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Makita GV7000C7. This Makita GV7000C 7-inch vertical sander is our runner-up. With its futuristic features and a powerful motor, no trimming task is too tough or complex for this sander. This sander is a great piece for professionals with low-medium-duty trimming tasks. Makita put a lot of effort to strike the perfect balance with this sander. The motor is positioned on the sanding pad so that the bulk of the weight is exerted on the pad. This implies that when sanding horizontal workpieces, you need to apply very little or no pressure at all. Just guide the sander and let it do its job. Another top attribute of this sander is its powerful 7.9 amp 120 volts motor that delivers 2,500 to 4,700 orbits per minute. Makita did not stop there. They added the electric speed control that allows you to select sanding speed depending on the project you are working on. The control also allows you to maintain the selected speed under load. At number 3, we have the SKIL 729202. This sander from SKIL has become a top recommendation for trimming works because of its versatile design. Powered by a 2.0 amp motor, you can use this sander to trim virtually every workpiece. The most outstanding feature of this sander is its effective dust management system. Using its microfiltration system, the sander is able to capture even the fine dust particles. Another very useful feature is the pressure control. To get the best trimming results, you need to apply just the right pressure so that the sanding pads can move easily and do the work. To avoid damaging the machine and poor results, this sander has a pressure control feature that alerts you when you exert a lot of pressure. At number 2, we have the CRAFTSMAN Random Orbit Sander. This is one of the toughest sanders you will get out there for tough tasks. It is powered by a monster 3 amp motor that generates 12,000 OPM to give you all the power needed to complete your trimming job fast. In addition to being a great trimmer, you can also use the sander for other tasks, such as paint removal and smoothing seams. The sander is designed to make trimming tasks easy and convenient. It is compact and only weighs 2.6 pounds, so that you can trim even vertically without getting tired. Besides, the handle is in a balanced position and rubberized to make it easy for you to control the sander. CRAFTSMAN did an excellent job designing the high-performance dust collection system of this sander. Using an onboard dust bag, the sander collects even the tiny dust particles to keep your workplace clean. If you have a lot of tasks or want to enhance dust collection, the sander can be connected to a vacuum. And finally, at number 1, we have the Makita BO4556K. Our next sander that made it on this best sander for trimming tasks list is this BO4556K from Makita. The sander's rugged and versatile design makes it not just good for trimming tasks but other sanding tasks too. The sander uses a strong 2.0 AMP motor that delivers a maximum of 14,000 RPM, which is fast enough for most trimming tasks. The sander further uses precision-engineered ball bearings that help to dampen vibrations and noise. The dust management system of this sander is very effective. First, the sander extracts the dust through the pads and then sucks it out to a containment bag. Besides, the sensitive parts, such as on/off switch, are dust-proof to ensure they do not get damaged by dirt. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.